Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in eBay, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what eBay is and how it operates. Research the types of investments available on eBay. Consider flipping items for profit. Explore eBay auctions to find undervalued products. Set up an eBay account to buy or sell items. Make sure to verify your account for added security. Familiarize yourself with eBay's fees and policies. Determine a budget for your eBay investments. Start small to minimize risk and gain experience. Use the search function to identify trending products. Analyze completed listings to understand market value. Check seller ratings to assess reliability. Learn how to write compelling listings if you plan to sell. Take quality photos of items to attract buyers. Set competitive prices to encourage sales. Consider seasonality and market trends when buying items. Experiment with buy it now versus auction listing formats. Monitor your sales performance and adjust strategies accordingly. Network with other eBay sellers and buyers for tips. Stay informed about eBay updates and changes in policies. Keep track of your earnings and expenses for clear insights. Reinvest profits to grow your inventory over time. Continuously evaluate the performance of your investments. Stay patient, as successful investing often takes time. Learn from both successful and unsuccessful transactions. Always be willing to adapt your approach based on market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.